To my channel. My name is Aditya, and today we are going to talk about industrial and system engineering courses, Master of Science degree in US. This can also be found in the course curriculum itself, course catalog itself. You can browse through the course syllabus. You will get fair amount of idea what all things are present in your courses. For example, if you are learning lean manufacturing, then they may help you out using time sequence series, uh, also different kind of scheduling approaches, also different quality control tools. So the subject will be having syllabus or chapters based on manufacturing or advanced manufacturing or advanced automation sector, automation machineries or something like that. So in this way you will have to browse in the syllabus section also. One more important factor is if the electives, the flexibilities of electives you are getting or you are allowed to get. So in case of University of Southern California here, I can have about three different electives. I can select at least three different electives, and at the most I four different electives. So I can select electives from Marshall School of Business USC also, that is data science and operation, global supply chain manufacturing. So this way I will be able to do courses in different domain also, like data science also, while doing courses in manufacturing also. So this way you get more option, and this may help you in gaining more knowledge, or strengthening your profile. Do look for graduation certificate courses in each of the university. For example, if you are coming to UST, University of Southern California, you will get a graduation certificate in global supply chain management engineering, in addition to your industrial and system engineering. So how is this possible to get two degrees in single and Master of Science degree? So graduation certificate degree is not as equivalent to Master of Science degree, but yes, it does have weightage, and additionally the flexibility of course selection in USC is such that you don't have to do any extra course for getting your graduation certificate in supply chain at USC. That means same courses what you are doing or pursuing during your Master of Science in Industrial and System Engineering are duplicated in graduation certificate. Thus you don't have to do any extra course to get this graduation certificate. This is a huge advantage, and you can also look for such instance or such advantages in other universities. You can look for graduation certificates even if they are requiring any extra credit. You can, if you are financially sound, you have a good financial planning and all, if you have money or some amount of time to spend on getting these courses done, you can always go for this. For example, many of my friends have gone for data science and industrial engineering courses by doing some extra credits at the universities. So you can always look for such graduation certificates. Also, you can also go through the each and every professor's profile which are going to teach you during your master's degree. This is important because this may help you in getting further internships, or even they can help you getting how to apply for jobs in the industrial domain, as they have already worked in that domain. If you are able to have a good relation with your professor, they may even refer to your any industry they know or they still have contact with. So in this way you can always have a word with your professor, or always go through the uh, professors directory in you through all the universities which you are willing to apply for. Apart from that, you can also talk with the uh, students which are already studying over that universities, and you can do your studies before applying. This way you can save money, time, and also strengthen your profile. So if you want any questions, you can always go mail the students or contact them through Facebook, Instagram, where you find they are always on LinkedIn. People or students over here are very active in LinkedIn, unlike in India. So in this way you can like finalize and work for more and more universities, and go with the university which best matches your profile or best matches your next things what you want to do. I will end up this video for now. I will be sharing more content about industrial and system engineering as I will go through my Master of Science degree progressively. I will be sharing my experience also. So if you want any extra doubts, of if you have any extra doubt, or if you want any extra things to know about this, you can always comment me in comment section of this video, or you can always follow me on Facebook, that is Aditya Joshi, and message me in the messenger section. I will always help you and get back to you. So till then, study well before applying, and be safe, and all the best for your future plannings. And do subscribe my channel. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, as this may help them in finalizing their universities, as some of these things we don't know while before coming to US. So all the best. Do subscribe to my channel. I will be coming back with more videos. Bye bye.